Master, who did sin? This man or his parents said he was born blind.
Neither hath this man sinned nor his parents, but that the works of God should be made manifest in him. I must work the works of him that sent me while it is day. The night cometh when no man can work. As long as I am in the world, I am the light of the world. Go, wash in the pool of Siloam.
Is this not he that sat and begged? This is he.
No, he is like him.
I am he.
How were thine eyes opened?
A man that is called Jesus made clay and anointed mine eyes, and said unto me, Go to the pool of Siloam and wash. And I went and washed, and I received sight.
Where is he?
I know not.
How did you receive your sight?
He put clay upon mine eyes, and I washed. Do see.
This man is not of God, because he keepeth not the Sabbath day.
How can a man that is a sinner do such miracles?
What sayest thou of him?
That he hath opened thine eyes?
He is a prophet.
Go bring his parents. Is this your son, who thou sayest was born blind? How then doth he now see?
We know that this is our son, and that he was born blind. But by what means he now seeth, we know not. Or who hath opened his eyes, we know not.
He is of age. Ask him. He shall speak for himself.
Give God the praise. We know that this man Jesus is a sinner.
Whether he be a sinner or no, I know not. One thing I know, that whereas I was blind, now I see.
What did he to thee? How opened he thine eyes?
I have told you already, and you did not hear. Wherefore would you hear it again? will you also be his disciples?
Thou art his disciple. We are Moses' disciples. We know that God spake unto Moses. As for this fellow, we know not from whence he is.
Why, herein is a marvelous thing, that you know not from whence he is. And yet he hath opened mine eyes. Now we know that God heareth not sinners. But if any man be a worshipper of God, and doeth his will, him he heareth. Since the world began, was it not heard that any man opened the eyes of one that was born blind? If this man were not of God, he could do nothing.
Thou wast altogether born in sin, and dost thou teach us?
Dost thou believe on the Son of God?
Who is he, Lord, that I might believe on him?
Thou hast both seen him, and it is he that talketh with thee.
Lord, I believe.
For judgment I am come into this world, that they which see not might see, and that they which see might be made blind.
Are we blind also?
If ye were blind, ye should have no sin. But now ye say, we see. Therefore your sin remaineth.
And they sailed on over to Gadara, which is across the lake from Galilee.
Jesus, Son of the Most High God, what do you want with me? I beg you, don't punish me.
What is your name?
Legion. Lord, we beg you, do not send us into the abyss. Let us enter into the herd of swine.
Hey! Come back!
Stop! Stop!
And the demons went out of the man and into the pigs.
Go away from here! You magician! Leave us! Go away from this place! Leave us! Go away from here!
Take away the stone. What is it? He said, take away the stone.
Was I unclear?
Lord, by this time there will be an odor. He's been dead for 4 days.
Martha, surely you know that is a minor matter. Did I not tell you that if you believed, you will see the glory of God? Your only priority in this moment is faith. I say to you again, remove the stone.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Come on!
Father, I thank you that you have heard me. I know that you always hear me. But I said this on account of the people standing around, that they may believe that you sent me.
Sent?
What is he doing? You already told us last night, you don't remember?
He said so that we and many others might believe in him. We already believe in him.
Not everyone for everything.
Lazarus! Come out! Unbind him. Get him out of those wrappings.
Yes, brother. I'm here.
What has happened?
You're back.
Jesus. Am I dreaming? This is no dream. You just woke up. I was asleep. Back in the land of the living, brother. I'm sorry it had to be this way. But also not. Because there is a higher plan in all of it.
I trust you. I know you like to keep me humble, but I am naked underneath these wrappings.
You could use a bath.
And I'm starving.
Don't be so dramatic. It's only been 4 days.
4 days?
The longest nap of your life.
Oh, gentle.
It's real. The stories of Jesus of Nazareth are true.
Nazareth. I have to go back to Jerusalem.
What is it?
Jesus of Nazareth.
You know who that is? I've heard his name before.
I have to go back. Right now.
But why now? We have to find out what happened.
I think it's clear what just happened.
No, but how?
Oh.